Either guys and girls, good midnight. Let's have some midnight snacks. I'm so hungry. Come over here. Gosh, love it. So hungry, so starving. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to buy. Come on. See that? It's still smoking. Isn't it? Come on. Oh gosh. Oh. That is the mac and cheese. Where is it? Oh my gosh. It's here. Mac and cheese, where are you? Where are you, mac and cheese? Huh? Anyway. Ah, there you are. You're hiding. Gosh. Hold on, guys. Thank you, Lord, for... Do you see that? It's still smoky. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges. Pastor Pa, shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and Helen Careto. You know what, guys? I'm kind of disappointing. It's so pale. Sorry. Their mac and cheese is different from the ads that they are showing on the TV screen. So I didn't like it. At least I tried. Now I know. Because if I didn't try this mac and cheese for this midnight, it's some kind of, it's hard on my feeling not to try it until when I go home. So even though I regret for this night, for this midnight, but still I tried my luck. Didn't pass on my taste buds. And the portioning is so not kind of plenty. See it for yourselves. Come on, try it. Don't be shy. You want some Alfredo? Hold on. Well, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much, each every one of you. And to all my Facebook viewers also, to my followers, hi. It's still great. But I have to finish this because I don't want to waste food. This is from my hard-earned money, from my sweat. And the reason why I tried this one because when I treat my family in Bicol to try also this promo, I'm gonna tell them not to order for this one. To all my lovely countries. Hold on. I forgot. You know what, guys and guys, I wasn't able to check the updates for my lovely countries because I forgot to scroll in it. That's why I don't know if this is still updated. Anyway, hold on. Please hold on, don't make some fast forward and don't make some skips. Okay, hold on. Which one? Hold on. I think this is the latest. The other day. Philippines, United States. It's not. Hold on. It's this one. Philippines, United States, Japan on the number 3rd spot. Congratulations once again. Myanmar, Indonesia, Canada, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Russia, United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, United Kingdom, Thailand, Italy. Thank you so much. Hold on. Some kind of hard. How are you all guys doing, huh? Hold on. You still want? Of course. You still want. Want some chili sauce? Chili oil, actually. Hold on. Water. What else am I gonna say? Thank you so much for the love and support. Bye for now. So guys and gals, do not order for the mac and cheese, okay? Not bad.